everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Anthea and this is all about skincare, hair care and makeup. Do not forget to subscribe. Today we shall be making this cool and refreshing treat that is going to wake your skin up and give it that natural glow in this summer heat. It's the aloe vera and cucumber soothing and refreshing facial mask. You can use this mask every day, any time of the day, and it will also help depuff your eye bags if you have any. Let's start by making some green tea and then let it cool down to room temperature. Slice up half a medium cucumber. And obviously we need some aloe vera gel. If you have no idea how to make aloe vera gel, go watch my 1-minute video on how to make aloe vera gel from scratch and how to store it. In a blender, add 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, the slices of cucumber and 250 ml of green tea that has completely cooled down to room temperature. Now press the button and let the blender do its job. Once that's done, we are going to make ice cubes. Transfer this into an ice tray and stick it in your freezer for about 2 hours or until this is completely frozen. Two hours later and here we are. I just got out a few that I need to use and I'll put the rest back in the freezer. You can use these for up to 3 months as long as you keep them frozen and clean. Put a little bit of water on the ice cubes to avoid that they stick on your skin. Just like that. These ice cubes are so pretty, they look so nice. I will take 1 ice cube at a time and wrap it in a small towel, small clean towel, and then run it over my skin and not hold it in one place for more than 2 seconds because I don't want to get an ice burn. That was an ice facial, and if you want to learn a little bit more about ice facials, please watch this video. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay well until next time.